On Namaste BHU, please log in through your head of department account. Only then you will able to assign students to section. Now, click on Assign Student to Section button or click on the link given in the notification. After that, select the program. Then choose the semester. And as soon as you select the course, the list of students enrolled in that course will appear. Now, to create a section, select the section name. Choose the instructor's department. And then select the instructor. You can select multiple instructors. After that, select the students whom you want to assign to that section. And click Save. Now the students will be successfully assigned to Section A. Similarly, to create another section, select Section B. Choose the instructor's department and then select the instructor. You can select the multiple instructor. After that, select the students you want to assign to this section. And click Save. Now the students will be successfully assigned to Section B. Now, when you click on View section, you can see the list of assigned and unassigned students, where you can also filter based on name, section, and instructor. By selecting a student, you can change their section. And you can see that the students section has been successfully updated. You can also assign students to sections by selecting them. Additionally, you can remove students from a section by selecting them. Finally, by clicking on Back to Assign section, you will return to the Assign section page.